What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy DeAndre Dingo, man. Now today I'm here to there's a damn dirt bike. It's pissing me off. But today I'm here to make you guys learn how to make thumbnails, like how I make my thumbnails, how everybody else make their thumbnails. Now we're only going to be focusing on one app today, well two, but the main focus is on one app, and that's PicsArt. So we're going to be making thumbnails on PicsArt and I'm doing this only because I feel like a lot of people be making thumbnails and they use a whole bunch of different apps, and PicsArt literally have everything. It has everything in there that you can do. So that's what I started to make my thumbnails with, and I've gotten better with them, so I thought why not share with y'all. But let's get into it though. So first thing first, download PicsArt if you don't have it. The second app is also Phonto, so I would recommend you download that. I would be using with the font, so I'm gonna use that to do the font. So download PicsArt. I already took a picture that I'm gonna use, so use this one right here, right? So obviously it's not in the same frame as how a YouTube frame would be, so you want to click on tools, crop, and go all the way to the bottom, and it says YouTube. So bring it about, that's decent, right? Now the first thing that we're gonna do, right, pretty sure everybody like to do the blur. So what you're gonna do again, you're gonna click on tools, selection this time, and then you're gonna press on select. So they actually recently had an update where you can click person, face, hair, head, and background. So you're gonna click background, right? See, it cuts out the background and leave the person, but I'm gonna blur everything now. So here's what you're gonna do: click on brush, make the size big, blur everything. Now gonna do that. Wait. Apply, no, not apply, effects. You're gonna click on effects up top. You got vertical zoom, you got blur, but you don't want the blur to be that blur, you know what I mean? So you want to bring it down, fade a little bit, so you can have it about that's decent, right? Now this is what you want to do, okay? Now once you got your blur, right, you want to this is what you want to do. You want to go to add photo, bring up back the same photo you just had, right? Now this is when you're gonna crop it again, so you could get that good crop that you had. So you want to YouTube, bring it back a little bit where it was, right, about so. Then you want to, this is when you're gonna do the cutout. So you're gonna cut yourself out and paste yourself, so you're really shown in the background is blurred. So you're gonna do person, right? So I already done it for you, but obviously it's not perfect, so you want to give it a little touch up and make sure everything is perfect. So I'm gonna touch it up a little bit. You want to just do that. Just touch up the areas that you need. You don't have to be nothing too crazy. So you see, it doesn't do everything. You can manually do it yourself, but also it's better to just do it the way they give it to you. Make everything more simple. The ears, it's already there, but got that. Touch up this area. Just go with the outline. Now again, it doesn't have to be perfect, and you'll see why. It's pretty much it, right? And do that. Boom. There you go. Now this is what I do. So once I have this, I just shadow, I make everything go all the way to 100, position 0, 0, or if then we just line it up, and boom, there we go. line it up. Let me see, line it up. And boom, right there, look, you're all showing up now, you're bright, you know, everyone see you. Now when you do this, normally I'll put a border. So you put that white border, you know, make any color, red, you know, purple, whatever color you want. So I would put white. So for this one, I'm gonna put a border. So I'm gonna put a white border on this one, not too crazy, right? And that's it right there. That's it right there. Now I have a little blemishes, you know, I got acne. So if you want your skin to be really clear, you're gonna go to beautify. You're gonna blemish fix. You could just put fix, and boom, look, my face even look more clear and bright now, you know. And apply, and that's it. Now that's really the start. Like once you got that, you like good. Now it's time for the text. So sometime, you know, sometime before I would use the text that they give. So it'll be like how to make, right? I'm gonna just put how to make, and then do that. And then I would normally use this font right here, which is I think Lucky. Let me find it. Lucky's Guy, yes. So I would normally use this one, you know. That's the one I would normally use, but I'm gonna show you guys what I started to do now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to save it. Right. Now we're gonna go to Phonto. Photo albums. Okay, now we're gonna get the image we had. And boom. Now we're gonna add text. So now this is how you your text. This app, it makes your text really stand out than how PicsArt would. You know what I'm saying? Like color wise, it works better. You have more advantage color wise and do certain things. But PicsArt is perfect. So what we're gonna put how to. Okay, we're gonna do how to. So you already got the font I normally use. We're gonna do how to, and I'm gonna just make it white. Right. So how to, and then you're gonna put style. This is for the blur. Not too blur, just about right. Now click back on style, text, create color. Now this is to get that like 3D look to it. So you're gonna click on horizontal, click vertical, and then gray, white, black. You see? Apply. And boom, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add that same text again. How to, right? We're gonna make it gray. Make that one gray. Put this one up here, and kind of like do this so it gives it like a 3D effect look, like a better 3D effect, so it stands out. All right, and then we're gonna do that style. Give it a little stroke to it. White, you know, nothing too crazy, something small, and boom, voila, you know. Move it over a little bit, move, and there you go. Also they also have curved, so you can curve, you know, you can curve your text however you want, like that. And you know, see, already the thumbnail is already coming out perfectly, you know, good. So move it over some more. Hopefully this video is not too long, y'all. I'm sorry. So how to, and then we're gonna put make, right? Make a, alright, make. So we're gonna bring this size down a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing, same color. I'm gonna put style, alpha, blur just a little bit. Then you're gonna color pattern, you know, gray, white, black. Now you're gonna put it vertical, so you know, and then you're gonna do this again. And voila. And of course, add the stroke. And boom. Now, last but not least, you're gonna put thumbnail. So, but you don't want it, you know. Obviously, my text is a little too big, so I'm gonna bring down the size. Bring down the size to this one. So, size to this one. Hold on, I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna come back, guys. And voila, guys. That's pretty much how you make a thumbnail, man. What you're gonna do now is save image, and boom, you know. That's what I'll normally do. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll come right back on, you know, PicsArt. I'll insert this same image again, and then I would add effects and put HDR, you know, just so it stands out, look a bit more bright. Make it not too faded, and then boom, there you go. You know, that's how to make it really simple. And then save again, and that's it. It's pretty simple, guys. So that's how you make a thumbnail. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new. It's your boy Dingo, man, and I'm out.